time, man. You know what's that?
This is our new song, yeah. Lois Magnini. Baba Vinyetti. This is one of our new songs. We get a new song every time. It's called Smack Dat. See it on my chat. I like this. That's nice. Okay, on the last episode, we asked you what the letter E meant to you. My silly self said it was after F. It's before. Ooh. Take poke, you owe me a Coke. Anyway, the letter E. Kina Vanilla from Grand Junction, Colorado, says the letter E to her means erection. She is a dirty girl. Dirty. Dirtier than dirty. And then, Billy Joe Rancid from Tennessee said, E to him, entertainment of the elephants. Ooh, he is tricky. And Papa Jimmy from Pennsylvania said it meant orgy. Is he some kind of dumb? What kind of dumb is
Orgy,
he?
it ends in the sound E, but it does not start with an E.
And it
You
doesn't
are
even have an
dirty.
E in it.
You're a dirty man.
You a dirty man. I know you want some orgy.
You were
with us.
drug up. You were not raised. You were drug up. You were
But you know
dirty.
what? Take me for dinner, maybe.
You know what, man? You were dirty. Your mama went wrong somewhere.
I'm
She
lonely. You can call me anytime.
Bath tissue. Look at this. Why would it say bath tissue?
I don't use it in the bath.
I don't know about you guys. Do you use the toilet paper in the bathtub? I guess you do use it in the bathroom, but it should just say toilet paper. I have never in my 40 years heard someone call it bath tissue. Ever.
40 years, girl.
I meant 25. I got you.
She meant 45.
I'm 20. I'm 29, I swear. I had a birthday. That's a lie. But this is bath tissue. It's a nice brand. 3 layers of softness. Ooh, your girl is gonna love that.
Her husband goes through one of these a day. Not
Yeah.
one of these.
He doesn't
but
know
a big,
the toilet
a
paper
big
song.
pack.
He doesn't know. Toilet paper. Toilet paper. On a roll. Next to me. I could use a few squares. Maybe 1 or 2 squares. How about 3? How about 3? 3 squares is all you really need for your little tuchus, okay?
You don't need a whole roll.
But I buy so much of this. Good thing the show makes me good money. Oh man.
Yeah.
We buy it at True Value. Yeah, that's where we buy it.
True value. That place truly is a value.
Truly is, and the customer service is incredible.
I had sex with one of the workers in the bathroom.
I don't think you meant to say that out loud. It's okay, Barbara. Every time, you little tramp. Anyway, I just wanted to say, Snoop Dogg.
Call me anytime.
Snoop Dogg, this is a shout out to you. Call me anytime, baby.
Husband doesn't got to know.
Yeah, my husband does not got to know. He doesn't watch my show. He doesn't care what I do.
lonely.
He doesn't even love me because he doesn't listen to what I had to say, what I do last week.
Not a
When I go
thing.
to the club, he doesn't care if I go
Doesn't
naked.
care. She does. She goes naked to the club. And me, I don't care. I'm lonely. I got 27 cats.
I'm
Do
sorry.
they pleasure me? No.
It's okay. I'm sorry, fans.
I think it's about time we end this. We love you. We love you.